Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Black stone kitchens offer a bold and sophisticated statement, perfect for those who crave a dramatic and modern aesthetic. Here's a description to bring this design to life. Dramatic backdrop. Imagine sleek black stone countertops as the focal point of the kitchen. This could be black granite, basalt, or soapstone depending on your desired finish and budget. The dark stone creates a dramatic backdrop that instantly elevates the space and exudes a sense of luxury. Textural contrast is key to prevent the space from feeling too dark or overwhelming. Contrasting textures and pops of color are vital. Think light-colored cabinetry in white, cream, or a warm wood tone for a touch of nature. Wooden bar stools, open shelving with light wood accents, and woven baskets add warmth and visual interest. Metallic touches for shine. Metallic accents add a touch of glamour and sophistication. Opt for gold, brass, or stainless steel for hardware on cabinets and drawers, light fixtures, or appliance finishes. These elements will gleam against the black stone backdrop. Strategic lighting design. Lighting plays a crucial role in a black stone kitchen. Task lighting is essential for food preparation. Utilize recessed lights in the ceiling for overall illumination, and add pendant lights over the sink or island for focused task lighting. Consider under-cabinet lighting to illuminate countertops and add a touch of ambience. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the mood from bright and functional to a more intimate and inviting atmosphere. Appliance integration. Stainless steel appliances often integrate seamlessly with black stone and a modern design scheme. However, black stainless steel appliances can create a monochromatic and sleek look. Consider the overall balance you want to achieve. Pops of color, optional. While black and contrasting neutrals dominate, a touch of color can add personality. Opt for vibrant bar stools in emerald green or sapphire blue. A statement piece of artwork with pops of color on a light-colored wall can also add a touch of vibrancy. Overall vibe. This black stone kitchen design is bold, luxurious, and undeniably stylish. It's a space that makes a statement and is perfect for those who appreciate a unique and dramatic aesthetic. Despite the dark tones, incorporating contrasting elements and strategic lighting ensures it remains functional and surprisingly inviting. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a black stone kitchen design for a bold and dramatic statement. Sophistication and modernity. Dramatic statement. Black stone creates a powerful and sophisticated look. It exudes modern luxury and instantly elevates the space, making it a great choice for those who prefer a bold aesthetic. Timeless appeal. Black is a timeless color that never goes out of style. A black stone kitchen will remain chic and relevant for years to come. Design versatility and personalization. Neutral backdrop. Black acts as a neutral backdrop that allows you to experiment with various design elements. Light-colored cabinetry, pops of color, metallic accents, and different textures can all be incorporated to create a personalized and stylish kitchen. Highlighting features. The dark canvas of black stone allows your kitchen fixtures, appliances, and decorative elements to take center stage. Pops of color, metallic finishes, and unique textures become even more impactful against a black backdrop. Unexpected benefits. Potential to hide stains. Black stone, particularly honed finishes, can be forgiving of minor spills and splatters compared to lighter countertops. Durability and longevity. Black stone is a highly durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear in a kitchen environment. Many black stones are resistant to scratches, heat, and chips. Additional considerations. Space requirements. Black stone can visually shrink a room. This design approach might be better suited for larger kitchens with ample natural light. Lighting is crucial. Proper lighting is essential in a black stone kitchen to avoid a cave-like feel. Utilize a combination of recessed lighting, task lighting, and under-cabinet lighting to create a balanced and functional space. Maintenance needs: certain black stones may require specific cleaning and sealing practices. Research the specific care requirements of your chosen stone to ensure it maintains its beauty. Overall, a black stone kitchen design offers a unique blend of sophistication, drama, and surprising practicality. It's a bold statement that creates a modern and luxurious space, perfect for those who appreciate a unique and impactful aesthetic. Here's a roadmap to guide you through creating a stunning black stone kitchen that's both bold and functional. Planning and inspiration. 1. Define your style. Do you envision a sleek and modern kitchen, a dramatic and luxurious space, or a surprisingly warm and inviting black stone kitchen? Browse design magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest for inspiration. Create a mood board to visualize your desired look and feel. Consider how you want to balance the boldness of black stone with other elements. 2. Measure your space. Accurately measure your kitchen's dimensions. This will determine the amount of black stone material needed, the size and layout of your cabinetry and appliances, and ensure everything fits comfortably for optimal functionality. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Black stone can vary in price depending on the type chosen. Factor in the cost of materials, countertops, backsplash if applicable, professional installation, if applicable, new cabinetry, appliances, lighting, flooring, and any additional features like a sink or faucet upgrade. Material selection and considerations. 1. Choosing black stone. Research different types of black stone like black granite, basalt, or soapstone. Consider their aesthetic qualities, durability, porosity, stain resistance, heat resistance, and price point. Consult with a stone supplier or interior designer for guidance based on your budget. Desired look, lifestyle needs, e.g., frequency of cooking, and how you plan to use the countertops, e.g., hot pot usage. 2. Black stone application. Decide how extensively you'll use black stone. Consider black stone countertops, a backsplash, or both. Black stone flooring can be dramatic but might make a small kitchen feel even smaller. Countering the darkness. 1. Light-colored cabinetry. Opt for light-colored cabinetry in white, cream, or a warm wood tone to create contrast and prevent the space from feeling too dark and overwhelming. Consider the reflectivity of the finish. Glossy white will reflect light the most. 2. Warm wood accents. Introduce warmth through textured wood elements. Think of wooden bar stools, open shelving with light wood accents, or butcher block countertops for a specific area. Wooden cabinet hardware can also add a touch of warmth. 3. Stainless steel or black appliances. Stainless steel appliances often integrate seamlessly with black stone and a modern design scheme. Black stainless steel appliances can create a monochromatic and sleek look. Consider the overall balance you want to achieve. Lighting design. 1. Layered lighting scheme. Plan a layered lighting scheme to ensure a functional and inviting space. Utilize recessed lights in the ceiling for overall illumination. Add pendant lights over the sink or island for focused task lighting. Consider under-cabinet lighting to illuminate countertops and add a touch of ambience. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the mood as needed. 2. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows clear of clutter and using light-filtering curtains instead of heavy drapes. Additional tips. Sample selection. Always order samples of the black stone you're considering to see how it looks in your existing lighting and with your chosen cabinetry colors. Maintenance considerations. Each type of black stone has specific cleaning and maintenance requirements. Learn about proper care techniques to ensure the longevity and beauty of your black stone features. Contrasting hardware. Don't be afraid to use contrasting hardware on your cabinets. Brushed brass or copper can add a touch of warmth and shine against black stone. Minimize clutter. Black stone can highlight clutter. Maintain a clean and organized kitchen to maximize the sophisticated and dramatic effect. By following these steps and personalizing your vision, you can create a stunning black stone kitchen that is both bold and inviting. It will be a space that makes a statement and reflects your unique style. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.